Hi everyone, Great Power 60. I am a hot mess. I was down in the storage room. I cannot believe what I found. Now, I started pulling things out, things that are no longer usable. I've thrown out in the garbage. Some of it I've left in case somebody wants them. But let me take you into my messy room and my messy foyer entrance, whatever, and show you what I found. I am so mad at myself. Come and see. Okay. This box was way in the back under all the other Christmas boxes, etc., etc. Sorry. This place is an absolute disaster. Let me show you what I found. Halloween 2022. Oh, I also had some garbage here, sorry. Some things here I wanted to throw out, I didn't throw out. Look at all the Halloween stuff. Oh my God. Straws and boxes and pumpkins and more of these old boxes that I got. I think 4 of them there's 3 in each package. Halloween haunts, nice little box. Like black flowers with the skull on them. Some black lace that I was looking for. Bottles that I had. Candles that I made. Oh my God. Ribbon. I had this Halloween ribbon. Oh. This must have been a very ugly pocket letter. Some more things here for the fall. Halloween erasers. Then all of these little, I had just bought these, remember? And guess what? I already had some. Oh. So, and these bottles. What else have I got in here? All kinds of stuff. Yeah. Halloween, there's the tiny, tiny little spiders I was looking for. Oh my God. Straws. I had purchased this clear coffin last year, and also these wood, they're plastic bones. Like unbelievable. These are all little miniature. These are little miniature bird nests. Like, what else have I got? Lighting. I've got lights in here. I've got pumpkins. What is in this? All little pieces of stuff. So, I'll be back. Oh, gosh. I am so hot. I don't know. Oh, God, did I lose my page? That's typical. I was uploading a video. Yeah. I definitely need to get organized. So what I'm going to do, because I have already packed away my Halloween stuff, I'm going to go through what's not Halloween. I'm going to take it out and put it in a bag and sort through it later. Whatever's Halloween, it's gone. It's going. I'm going to make a couple of bags, throw them downstairs. I got the box. I'm going to bring it over to the donation to the thrift store, drop it off. I know it's close to Halloween. It's still another week and a half away. Week and 3 days. So people might still be doing stuff. I don't know. So I just thought I'd share this short video with you. I went downstairs and took out things, threw things out that didn't belong. Things that I've packed up here, I brought the boxes down there, packed them aside. A couple of boxes I've kept, like for my iMac, I kept the original box that came in because when I move, I want to put it in there. I don't want it to be, carried or anything. I don't want to take any chances with it. So that'll all go in that box. And yeah, I cannot believe, I am really going to be going through a lot of stuff. And as I'm making room in my apartment for my son and his wife and the 2 kids, I have somebody coming tomorrow to see if they'll take that big cabinet, that china cabinet that we have, but I have to empty it tonight. And I want to get rid of that sofa. That sofa's got to go. My son's going to have to come over this weekend, my grandson, the oldest one that's nice and strong, and get it out of here. I can't. It's old. It needs to be gone. 2 big pieces of furniture need to be gone, and it'll give me more of an idea how to set things up in here. I have been throwing things, bringing things in. Oh my God, I've still got that package to mail. I'll do that tomorrow. I was supposed to do that today. I was supposed to do that last week. But anyway, that's it, guys. This is another, I bought stuff that I already have, and it's starting to tick me off a little bit. Just a little teeny, okay, this much, that I need to get rid of stuff. I don't need all of this. I had been keeping scraps of paper. Recycle. I'm going to recycle. I will be building more scrap papers over the next year or so, whatever, doing crafts. So I don't need to keep all of those. The only ones that I'm going to keep are things like coffee dyed papers, book pages, things like that. But I've got like bags. I've got like 4 bags of scraps of things that I've done in the past, and I don't need it. So I'm getting rid of it. Getting rid. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I had that box downstairs full of Halloween stuff. I really can't believe it. Anyway, sorry, my camera's crooked. I'm crooked. I'm a hot mess. I got to get the fan in here. I am warm. We've had a couple of beautiful warm days. Cool nights, mind you, but warm days, and I am exhausted from just sorting. So, yep, tonight that box is going to be emptied. I'm going to take everything. I don't care if I have to dump it all on the floor, sort through it. I've got a couple of paper bags like this. Oh, these kind of shopping kind of paper bags. Again, I'll just throw things in there and say free, take Halloween, blah, blah, blah. Just get rid of it. I'm beside myself. You know, there's stuff in there I've had for years. I mean, years. So, anyway, just thought I would let you know what a lovely mess I am. Sorry for dumping on you, but I'm so angry with myself. And I think we all, we all save things that we need to get rid of. So this is going to be a big one for me. Over the next few months while my son is here and they're doing their thing, I'm going to be going through all of my craft supplies and trim it down. Now that I'm doing more journaling rather than actual paper crafting things or cards or things like that, I've got plenty of supplies for cards. And I've also got I've been doing, like I say, I've been doing journaling things rather than making things out of paper. And then of course I've also got my other things that I make, do I have anything? Oh, did I ever show you this? I was watching a guy, one of the reels on Facebook. I was just going through some of the quick reels that they have, these quickie things, kind of like a TikTok, but it was on Facebook. Anyway, showed me how to make, out of a piece of paper, a ghost. All you do is you take copy paper, you put something like, you can get a pill bottle or you can get whatever. I had a small pill bottle, but I also had a little styrofoam ball and I just put it on top. Put the paper on it, spray it like crazy with water until it just starts to fall, because it's going to fall apart. And then you let it dry, you take it off, put 2 little eyes on it, and there you go. You've got a little cheap ghost. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for me. I got to get going on that box. I got to get rid of stuff. Sometimes I wish that all of my craft stuff was like right here in my IKEA shelf, whatever it is, with all my pretty colored boxes. Sometimes I wish that was all I had. But I went to U-Haul and picked up a couple of small boxes for my books, and I'm looking at them. A lot of them I haven't read, but I'm interested in. Some, I would say a third I've read and 2/3 I haven't. But I love books in a home. I love books in a home. What can I say? I love bookshelves with books on them, and when you feel the need to escape or to do whatever, you pull a book from the shelf, sit down, get comfortable with a cup of tea, glass of beer, glass of wine, shot of something, some kind of liquor, whatever you feel like. Nice little bowl of fruit, cheese and crackers. You sit there and you just read and escape. And sometimes I think that's what I need. Anyway, that's it for me for today. Thanks for joining me. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. I have some of these paper bags. I might put some smaller items in, just free Halloween stuff, like the erasers and things like that. Yeah. I've already got my box, my container of Halloween stuff already. It's the papers, everything that I have, that I had up here, that I thought I had, is in that box. Everything that is in the box I just showed you, gone. It's going, except for, things that are not Halloween that are in there that shouldn't be there. Yep. Yeah. I shake my head sometimes wondering, what the hell am I doing? Why am I bringing more into the house? I don't know. Anyway, that's it for me. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time when I have another whiny, angry, frustrated video of my craft stuff If I didn't have craft stuff, this place would be absolutely the easiest thing to reorganize to have my family move in. It's my craft stuff that takes up a whole room by itself. Yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for joining me. Thanks for all your support. I appreciate it so much. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.